At its most basic level, a calendar will just keep you on track. If you're a student, chances are you are being enrolled in several campus courses, and if you're a teacher, you're teaching several campus courses. So just having all your events show up in the calendar is just a good way to just do a global glance and see what's coming up and what needs to be turned in, or maybe what events are going to take place, such as quizzes or field trips. So just a great feature to have in Canvas. Now, I want to start by saying that, and this has been asked, is this calendar, does it sync with our Google calendars? And the answer is no, but there are ways that you can put events from this calendar into Google, and I can show you that. But what I want to do now is just show you the calendar feature in, and notice I have these two courses. One's red, one is gold, and that'll come into play in a second. So I'm going to open this up. Notice red, gold. So I can do this in two different ways. Three. I can go in to one of my courses and I can schedule an assignment or schedule an event, and that would sync with my calendar. Or I can do it straight from the calendar, like tomorrow is my birthday, so we'll just click on the 14th. Notice it showed up here, and we can do more options. It's going to open up our rich content editor, our rich text editor, and we can just put here pie in break room. I'm not sure if there will be any pie in the break room. That wouldn't be a bad thought. So then I can create my event. Notice the event shows up red. Now if on the same day I wanted to do an assignment, click assignment, I can assign it to my other one. Might be your birthday, but there is a paper due. Just like any other assignment that you create in your courses, the content editor opens. Down here you can choose how you want to do a file upload and just go down to the bottom and save it. I'm not going to publish because this is just something I'm playing with. So if I go back to my calendar just to show you what to look for, you'll notice there are two. One is an assignment and marked with an A, and the other is a little calendar event. It could be field trip, any number of things. It might be a reminder about a quiz. So just notice too that say something changes, maybe the paper is going to be due next week, I can easily drag that there. If I were to go into my assignments within that course, I can make some changes there. So say I go here and I go to course templates, go to assignments, look for my paper being due. I can go here, edit it, go down here and change the date. When I go back to calendar, you'll notice it automatically syncs. So that's a nice feature. And as a student, if this is what I'm seeing all the events in one place. And a teacher too. So use the calendar feature in order to keep up with what's going on in your classes, and just keeps you a little organized. If you wanted to move anything over to Google Calendar, you can go here and it will give you the iCal, which you will paste. You will create a calendar in Google using a URL, and that's easy enough. You would just go here, copy this link, go to Google Calendars, go here to, and this is the actual calendar here, but you would add by URL and add calendar. And you can make it public if you want others to be able to see it.